You've got to check this out. Look at this jar. Stop what you're doing now. Check this out. If you are someone who feels that positive thinking is a bunch of hooey, your mind is about to be shifted. I did an experiment, and my experiment was based on Dr. Emoto's work. Here's a book of his, and he has proven that we can change the molecular structure of water just by our thoughts. And we are 70% water or more. So here's what I did. I created 2 jars. They were sterile. And then I put 1/4 cup of a quinoa amaranth mixture inside, along with 1/2 cup of purified water. Sealed them. They sat on my kitchen counter for about 6 weeks. The only difference between these 2 jars is what I wrote on the outside. Check this out. Here's the first one. I put hearts. You are brilliant. I love you so much. You are enough. You matter. You are love. You're amazing. And look, you will notice that there is no degeneration in the amaranth quinoa mixture. And in fact, there are actually a few of the grains that have sprouted. And after 6 weeks, it should have been completely decomposed. But it's just fine and healthy. Now, check this out. I wrote on this one, you are ugly, you don't matter, I don't like you, you're not good enough, you're bad, you will mess up. Now, look at all the pink fungus down in the grains. And then just in the last week, this top has formed. It's a hairy mess of fungus. It's shocking, actually. It's shocking. And I've always wondered how it was that speakers were able to transform so quickly in my classes. And by the way, my name is Lynn Kirkham, and I'm the founder of Yes You Can Speak. And the way we do it is by the power of positivity and bringing out their unique brilliance. Instead of looking for what they're doing wrong, we look for what they're doing right. And they transform quickly. And now we've proven that there really is something to this. You are over 70% water. And for this next week, I have a challenge for you. And that is either do this for yourself, which would be awesome. And I also think it would be great for kids to do for science projects in school. And in addition to that, what if for the next week, you just focused on what you were doing right and the outcomes that you wanted, instead of looking for where you might mess up or looking for where you're not quite good enough? Just for 1 week, do this for yourself. Give yourself more acknowledgement than you're used to giving yourself. And trust that if you do that, that you will shine your light brighter. And what about for those in your family? You could do the same thing. Look for what they're doing right. Look for those areas where they are brilliant and share that with them. And chances are that the water that you both will be swimming in will be like this. It'll be clean, it'll be pure, and it will be much easier for you to reach that potential that you're here to reach on this planet. Give it a try and reach out to me and let me know how it goes.